The area that we really struggled with was all of our hand load CNC lathes and CNC mills. When we go home at night, those machines would just sit. And part of that problem was our lot sizes were really gauged for one shift's work, but as a machine shop operator or owner would know that that job would never finish in that shift. So a 5-day work week would really take 8 or 9 days to complete. So we really needed a solution to, one, finish that job that we started that day out automatically. So every day we're coming into a fresh setup. And two, we could stay in step and pace with our production department schedule.
The owner had the idea to start bringing in cobots. Right about this time, the pandemic hit. So it went from let's start to see what we can do with this to okay, this needs to happen. We need this to survive.
Cobots paused until someone replaced the parts on that tray, and that was the biggest issue we saw early on. We're just seeing cobots in the shop. They just sit there, whatever the case may be, break time or at the end of the shift. When they go home, production stops. But now with the ASRS, when they go home, they can load up the machine with the parts and come in the next day and it can still be running. If not, it finished sometime before they got back. Yeah, that was the biggest void that this machine is really filling, is cobot downtime.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.